Hello everyone and welcome back to L&L Diamond Painting. I'm Lee.
And I'm Lenore.
While we were opening up the painting, we had noticed, because I had thought she had said she had sent something else, and we noticed that we had missed this pen. It was
I love it.
actually in with the painting itself.
So pretty.
So there is that. It's a beautiful pen.
Yes.
I'm assuming it came make market like the painting did. As I said before, this is a make market kit. Contents and all that good stuff. Santa and Reindeer is the name. So the kit came with its own pink wax in a caddy, its own tray and pen, and I believe a spare stopper, although I'm not positive, and some baggies. I'm not going to open everything up like I did, like everybody else does, but here is the color palette, and I already know that I'm not doing it because of the fact that if I tried to, I would have drill bags everywhere because I would never get them back in there. But there is the drill field, a lot of reds, greens, whites, obviously browns, yellows, some really nice colors. And the drill field itself, let's take a look at the picture. And there is the drill field itself. There is the image in total. The canvas is really nice. It is scalloped and serged and poked and all of that to keep from fraying. And the glue is sticky. And the symbols, if I can get it to focus, are nice and clear. Apologies for my shaking. I don't know what's going on there. I gotta find out from the doctors. But they are really clear, even though it doesn't focus very well. But there is the image in and of itself. It is a square kit. As I said, it is 16 by 20 inch or 40 by 50 centimeters, 40.6 by 50.8 if you want to be exact. I'm not the exacting type, just on people's nerves. But other than that, that is the kit, and I wanted to make sure to point out the pen as well because that was put in extra.
Yes. It's beautiful too.
And the other pen with this that's fully self-loaded, that all you have to do is twist and the wax will come out. Okay. But there it is. Not much to it. I'm not big on, going over everything like some people can, especially considering the fact that Make Market doesn't do DMC codes. They do their own. So I can't really tell you what's fairy dust, what's, if there's any special drills or anything else, I'll have to rely on other people to figure that out for me.
For me.
Huh?
For me.
For you? Why for you?
Because it's my kit.
Yeah, I understand it's your kit, but that doesn't mean it's, I'm the one showing it.
Okay.
I got to learn how to get better at unboxings. What can I tell you? At any rate, we hope you enjoy yourself. We hope you enjoyed this short little video, along with the opening of the friend mail.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna have panicked Tammy because she's gonna, what happened to my pen? My pen was in there. I gave it to her specifically. Well, now you know, Tam. But I'll tell you anyway. Bye-bye, everyone.